Moving a live database is usually a caffeine-fueled nightmare of planned downtime and praying nothing breaks. But what if you didn't have to do any of that? What if you could just hit copy on your on-prem database and paste it straight into the AWS cloud without dropping a single active connection? Today, we're doing exactly that. Here's a local Postgres database running in Docker. We are going to move this database out of our local environment and place it into the AWS cloud, completely live without dropping a single order. And in the terminal, a Python script creating customer orders into our database every few seconds. Our target is a new Amazon RDS instance sitting securely inside a private VPC. Because it's private, we can't just connect to it over the public internet. We need an encrypted site-to-site VPN tunnel. We grab the VPN config from AWS, configure it in our local router, and complete the handshake. Let's register our new cloud database in our local pgAdmin instance using the private RDS endpoint. And we're connected securely through the tunnel. But if we poke around, the database is a complete ghost town. 0 tables, 0 data. Before we move the data, we need the blueprints. We run a quick pgdump command against our local container. But just for the schema, no data, just the structural skeleton of our database. We open the generated SQL file and copy the whole thing. Paste that massive block of SQL into our cloud database. Pro tip, find and replace the local table owner with your AWS RDS master user. Execute that, and our tables now exist in the cloud. Still empty, but ready to start receiving live data. Now, time for the zero-downtime replication. We'll use Postgres logical replication to achieve this. On our local database, we create a publication for all tables. This basically turns our local database into a radio station, broadcasting every single insert, update, and delete directly from the transaction logs. We also grab our local IP so AWS knows what frequency to tune into. Over on the AWS side, we create a subscription. We give it our local IP, our credentials, and tell it to listen to the publication. The second we hit run, AWS reaches through the VPN, replicates the existing data, and instantly starts catching live orders. Looking at the table, rows are now appearing, perfectly in sync. Another pro tip, logical replication copies data, but it completely ignores sequences, like your auto-incrementing ID columns. If we point our app to AWS right now, it will try to insert ID number 1 and crash into an existing row. We need to run one final script to bump the AWS sequences to the current maximum ID.